Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable and install the XPS Viewer app on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in optional. Best result should come back with manage optional features. Go ahead and select that. And then you want to select add a feature near the top and find available optional features. Type in XPS. Best result will come back with XPS Viewer. Check mark next to that and select add and give that a moment. So once that's done, you will need to close out of here and reboot your computer, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.